Guys, today we have airplane models. Okay, let's go open the first one. It's a Philippine Airlines. Let's go open it.
Sumasing lang ako.
Wow, we have a very cool airplane. Let's go. Wait, I think guys, it just broke in the packaging. So let's go fix it. Okay, now we have the airplane. Let's go put it right here. This is the connector. Let's go attach it. And wow, there's a hole at the bottom, so let's go attach it. Wow, it's actually very cool. Let me actually display it at the floor. Okay, next we have AirAsia. Let's go open it. And when we opened it, wow, it's actually cool. Let's go open it. This one's not broken. This, you see,
Kasi ginalaw mo ko eh.
pointy. This is pointy. And
Hindi kita tayo.
and we gonna
Kita mo para makita mo.
we're gonna put it now. There's also a hole. Let's go put it.
Say it's actually the same.
Let me display it.
Hindi na makita.
And the last one we have. Wait, let me fix this packaging first.
Like that.
We have a mysterious airplane model. Wow! Look! It's a Lufthansa. Let's go
Fix it.
unbox it. This might actually be the biggest one in my collection. It's so cool. Let's go put it on the floor. And
Spin.
wait, the box dropped. And now we connect it right here. And right here. And now we have airplane models. Thank you and bye-bye, guys.